Ready to ditch those crazy phone bills and switch to Mint Mobile? Let's get your new phone activated and connected in just a few easy steps. First, grab your Mint Mobile SIM card kit and that shiny new phone you're about to unleash. Inside the SIM kit, you'll find a SIM card and possibly a SIM ejector tool, which looks like a tiny metal paperclip kind of thing. Carefully pop open your phone's SIM card tray using the tool. Usually, it is on the side of your phone. Now, insert the Mint Mobile SIM card into the tray. Make sure it's oriented correctly. The notched corner will guide you. Gently slide the tray back into your phone until it clicks. Next, power on your phone and head over to mintmobile.com. Activate. You'll need to create an account if you don't have one yet, or log in if you are already a member of the Mint fam. Follow the prompts to enter the activation code from your SIM card kit and your phone's IMEI number. You can usually find the IMEI number in your phone settings under About Phone, or you can dial number 06 hash on your phone, like a phone number, and the IMEI will appear. Once you've entered the info, Mint Mobile will begin activating your service. This might take a little while. Ensure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi during this process to avoid using up any data from your previous provider unless you wanted to. After it's done, you should see a welcome message or confirmation that your service is active. And you should see the Mint Mobile network name at the top of your screen. If you don't, try restarting your phone. That's it. You're now officially part of the Mint Mobile family, ready to enjoy affordable wireless service. If you run into any snags, head over to Mint Mobile's website or app for support, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.